Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this 8-inch Android 14 tablet. I just got this set up for my little boy and I wanted to tell you about my experience so far with it and tell you a little bit about the details of the product. So this is an 8-inch tablet. It's going to be perfect for children to use, whether that's educational or for the occasional leisurely watching, browsing, and playing games. But this could also be a great little personal tablet, something you could read on, play on personal games on, what have you. It's a really great size and I've had a great experience with it so far. So during the setup process, I was able to select that it was going to be for my child to use, and it walked me through that entire process to get that set up and to set up parental controls, which was really easy and convenient. And it can even be shared to your Google account so you can follow along and see what's happening. So here's kind of what the kids' homepage looks like. It lets them create a little character here and you can choose their age range and it will automatically select some different options for them, and you can get to your other apps and stuff here under my stuff, and you can very easily block things if you need to by long pressing and holding and going to the little dots over here and selecting to block that. You can get books. So there's so much that you can do on here. It's so much fun and can definitely serve a really great purpose as far as schooling and learning goes. Down here, you can choose to switch over to the parent side by pressing and holding and going to parental controls. And then you can look at all of the information here and change any kind of settings that you need to. So I love how user-friendly that process was and how much control I have over the things that he does and the things that he sees. And this uses the latest Android system, so it has a fast processing time regardless of if you're running multiple apps at a time. It has a 12 gigabyte RAM, and I have personally noticed no delays when multiple apps are in use. It does have a 1280 by 800 HD screen, so it really looks great. The colors are vibrant, everything is nice and clear, and it does have a stable Wi-Fi 6 connection, so no connectivity issues whatsoever. Plus, it has a large capacity. It's a 64 gigabyte, but it can be expanded up to 2 terabytes, which is incredible. You can just put an SD card in and get that extra storage if you need it. So right here is the SD slot, then your charge port, and you've even got a little auxiliary jack. So this is going to be a great option for at home or even on the go. It's a great size and there's so much functionality here, whether it's for fun or for education. So we truly love this and my son absolutely adores it. So if you guys were looking for a really great tablet, whether that be for yourself or your child or to gift to someone, this is a really awesome option. I would definitely give this a try.